In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically transfer completed tasks to the completed list in your Trello board. We all know how satisfying it is to check off a task once it's done. Typically, each card in Trello features a checkbox. When we click on this checkbox, it marks the task as complete. However, by default, the card doesn't magically move itself over to the completed list, and this is where automation can be a game changer. Let's make this process seamless by employing Trello's built-in automation feature. Start by locating the lightning bolt icon at the top right corner of your Trello board, which will open the automation settings. Once there, head over to the section labeled Rules. This is where we can create a new automation that will handle the task moving for us. Next, click on Create Automation. Now, we need to define the trigger for this rule to work properly. In the Card Changes section, look for the trigger option labeled When the card is marked as complete. You'll want to select this because it tells Trello to recognize when you've completed a task. Click on the plus button beside it to add this as your trigger. Great. Now that we have the trigger set up, let's move on to the action. We want Trello to move the card automatically to the right list. Head over to the Move section under Actions. Here, you will select the action labeled Move the card to list. You'll see a text field popping up where you can type in the name of the list to which the card should be transferred. Type in completed into this field. This tells Trello exactly where we want our finished tasks to reside. Again, make sure to click on the plus button next to it to solidify it as an action. With both our trigger and action in place, proceed to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This final step ensures that your rule is recorded and ready to execute. Just like that, you've set up an automation rule. The best part? Testing it out? Go ahead and mark a task as complete on your Trello board. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the card magically make its way over to your completed list without any extra work on your part. And there you have it. Automatically transferring your completed tasks to your completed list can save you time and help keep your boards organized effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.